I come from Croatia and I moved to the UK in 2015 on my own to study. And then I just stayed because I really like this country. I came to Swansea to do my PhD because one of the best dream scientists in the world is actually here. So I wanted to study with him, and I'm doing research in psychology as well as creative writing. I'm looking into how we can use dreams, and in particular lucid dreams and different kind of dream states to improve creativity, to be more authentic in our idea generation and to problem solve more creatively. What lucid dreaming means is that you become aware that you're dreaming while you're in a dream. And then you can do things like you can invite characters into the dream, you can recreate a scene, you can see how it works out. I'm basing my methods on the work of Thomas Edison and Salvador Dali, who used these napping techniques where they would drop the pen once they started slipping into the dream. So on the brink of sleep, you get these very abstract visions and different kind of sensory experiences. We all get that every night. We just forget it because we go into sleep. So once you drop the pen, you maintain that image, that vision, and then you can work with that. During the course of my PhD, I heard about the enterprise team and the big pitch. So I applied for the big pitch and I received £2,000 from Santander University's funding, which helped me really kickstart the business. So they helped me get some resources for marketing and web design. They also helped me with networking opportunities. So I got to present my business at this big business exposition in Swansea through Enterprise Team. The advice that I would give to everyone, especially students looking to start up a business, is just ask for help. There's so much help out there and people just don't know about it. Just ask and say, look, I have this idea. Maybe I don't know what to do with it at the moment. Can you help me define it better? Can you help me get the funds? Can you help me? And there's always going to be a lot of help, especially for students. I've had that throughout my education.